Accumulators bring a lot of money. It does not matter whether you are a beginner or you are a pro in the markets. It is very easy to learn accumulators and bring a lot of money in the table. So as you can see on the screen, this is a trade that is running. You only need to get it once and then you bring a lot of money to the table. Most people get locked out of their accounts because of not verifying their accounts, and these are things that can happen even to you. So you need to be very careful when depositing a lot of money to these websites. So what do you need to do when you need to deposit a lot of money? Just not pass a limit of $50 to some websites. And I know some of you know those websites which have behaviors that require you to go through various verification methods for you to withdraw your money. So you need to be very careful with those websites. And some people also have said that they make a lot of money on those websites. So we have loopholes that exist on those websites, and you can exploit them when you deposit little money. So when you see a website that requires you to deposit without verifying your identity, you need to stay away from that website. Back to accumulators on DERIV. So DERIV has profitable option, which is accumulators. And for those who do not know how to create an account or access them, I have a video just in the description below which will guide you how to do it. So as you can see on the screen, these are running orders, and you see they are running in profit. Other times it will just cross those barriers and then you lose money. So you need to be very careful when making an order there. And when you look below on your dashboard, you can see some stats. These are the stats that you can use to your advantage so that you can make the most profit. In simple terms, these are just the number of ticks that are happening on this market. So if you see a number just down below here, those are the number of ticks, and in most cases you can see that they are counting as the market is moving, and when it happens to break the barrier, then it starts to count a new number. So those can help you to know whether to enter a market or not. On these stats, when you see a number like let's say when the current market is still moving and the ticks are above 100 or let's say 50, then avoid that trade. Don't put a trade at that time because it will break anytime. You don't have any chance to win there. So you just need to avoid that because in most cases you will end up losing. And if you try to observe those ticks, you will find out that when they hit 100 ticks, then it breaks the barrier. So most of the time it will end up repeating the same pattern. So you need to be vigilant to that. If you made a good prediction, then hold on to a trade until you get 3 times your stake. You don't need to go beyond that because it will still break the barrier, and you don't need to stay until you get caught, because most of the time you will get caught, but you need to win once and then recover some losses that you had made earlier. So in this you need to be very strict with taking your profits and not letting your emotions to guide you. And if you are starting out with DERIV, check out the description. I have left a link there. Just click it and create an account. If you have any problems, leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out.